Fraunhofer USA was founded in 1994, and we tried to emulate models that we knew from Germany would work in the applied research space here in the United States. So we were from the beginning looking for partner universities. Michigan State University at the time was also very open to this type of collaboration. And they were open right away to provide us with a space on campus.
My first few trips to Michigan State, when I was preparing the move, finding the engineering research complex was not trivial.
When we first came here, we came into our big laboratory and there was a big pile of parts.
But within 6 months, we had plasma in the system and off we went.
It is now great to see that this is in fact a lab now with a dozen diamond reactors.
If you look kind of where the center has focused historically over the last 20 years, it's been in our core competence areas of diamond, thin films, lasers. But as we kind of look to what we can apply those technologies to moving forward, the application field grows substantially. So I think there's a number of areas that the center is going to continue to focus our research in.
There are a lot of great things happening right now. So the center has been growing rapidly over the past few years.
We have people who are experts in chemistry, material science, elements of biology. So we're able to work on a lot of interesting projects. So like water treatment, material synthesis of diamond and other carbon materials. We can work on things like brain electrodes and additive manufacturing as well.
We do government-funded research. We do industry-funded research. We involve students from day one. We integrated interdisciplinarily with the entire College of Engineering.
I think one thing that has made this center very successful, as I said before, is true partnership. And that includes down to the level of individuals. I've seen how working with Dr. Thomas Schulke has taught me so many things that I hadn't thought about because of his experiences and where he came from. I've seen where we have students very, very new to the entire enterprise going into the Fraunhofer labs and learning how to conduct, first quality experiments. That's really what this partnership brings, because of course a university is in the business of creating the talented workforce for the future and always looking a little farther out.
Our goal is to kind of sit in between where universities do research and where industries are trying to solve their problems. And our goal is really to grow these technologies so that they're as ready to be used as possible. If you look at what the center can offer to industry and to the world in the future, it's going to be more of those projects. It's going to be larger and larger projects. There's so much opportunity to help these companies and governments solve these problems. And the bigger we get, the more impact we can have. And that's ultimately what we want to do here.
So I'm excited about to see what our R&D here can contribute to future enhancements in electronics, power electronics, batteries.
From a coating standpoint, there's going to be an enormous opportunity for advanced thermal techniques and packaging techniques that will involve coatings that have previously never been deployed for things like electric vehicles.
Fraunhofer is extremely good at solving problems and bringing practical solutions to the marketplace. And so the marriage of those two means that people who come through our program are better prepared to be the innovators of the next 10 to 20 to 30 years and create those discoveries that change lives.